Hi, welcome back to the Guwahati. In this video section, I will explain you different types of USA visas. First one is non-immigrant visa. Second one is immigrant visa. Non-immigrant visas are different kinds. First one is tourist, transit, student, business, medical visas. All visas are examples of non-immigrant visas. If it is for visitor visa who are not intended to become permanent residents of the US, this is typically a more straightforward and fast application process than the migrant visa. Immigrant visa. This sort of visa is for those who want to become permanent residents of the nation. Obtaining a migrant visa usually takes a long time. People who want to apply for the visa will need to fill out a petition with the US Citizenship and Immigration Services, that's called USCIS, signed by a relative or a potential employer. Indians must also submit Form I-130 through the mail. You will be given instructions on the medical test when you submit this. You must schedule an examination with a US Embassy approved physician. The top two visa types in this category are family based immigration visa. Second one is employment based immigrant visa. Immigrant visas are classified again two types. First one is family based immigrant visa. Second type is employment based immigrant visa. Coming to the point, family based immigrant visa. Potential immigrants who have close links to a relative who is in US citizen or permanent resident are eligible for these visas. If the following requirements are met, your relative will be able to assist you in immigration to the United States. A relative is over the age of 21. Relative is either a citizen or a permanent resident of the United States. A relative is close to you, such as spouse, parent, kid, or brother. If you ask for family preference, your relative might be a distant relative. However, the number of visas given in this category is quite restricted. Coming to the employment-based immigration visa, this type of category visa allows the holder to come to the United States based on work. This allows the candidate to apply for permanent residency in the United States. The visa applicant may apply for US citizenship after 5 years of permanent stay. The various types of employment-based immigration visas are EB-1A, EB-1B, EB-1C, EB-2, EB-3, EB-4, EB-5. Coming from EB-1A, qualifying workers are called workers with extraordinary. EB-1B, outstanding foreign researchers or professors. EB-1C, managers and executives from multinational corporations. EB-2, professionals with an advanced degree with US job workers with exceptional abilities as well as US job offer. EB-3, professional skilled unskilled workers. EB-4, special immigrants. EB-5, immigrant investors. Coming to non-immigrant visa, there are over 15 visa categories under the non-immigrant visa, such as business, tourist, student, journalist, and media visa. A business visa is for those who are visiting to the United States for the business purpose. A business visa in the USA is for those who are coming to the United States to meet business colleagues, attend educational, scientific, professional, or business conferences, settle an estate or negotiation contracts. Business visa applicant should apply for the B1 visa offered by the United States at the same time they apply for an American visa. B1 visa, business visitor visa. For business travels who stay in the US for up to 180 days. Business B1 visa holders travels to the US. They were staying in the US up to 180 days. US tourist visa. The US tourist visa is a type of USA visa for those who are visiting to the country for the purpose of tourism or vacation. It comprises those who are visiting to the United States to visit friends and family or leisure regions. Tourist visa applicants from India should apply for B2 category visa. Coming to the point, repeat it again. A tourist visa is under the category of B2 category visa. B2 tourist visa holders stay in the United States for up to 180 days. B2 visa called as tourist visa. Coming to the US student visa. US student visa is for those who are coming to the United States to pursue higher education. Under the category of student visas in the United States, there are two types of visas are available. Students seeking academic study should apply for F1 visas in the United States, whereas students seeking vocational education should apply for M1 visa. Study purpose visa called F1 visa, vocational education purpose visa are called M1 visa, applying for students. After being approved by the school in the United States, which will issue them with document called I-20, student visa candidates should apply for a visa. Student visa applicant must apply within 120 days of the I-20 start date and travel within 30 days of the I-20 start date. F1 visa is called for student visa for studying to an American university or college. M1 visa are called as non-academic or vocational visa, student visiting for the US for vocational education purpose only. Coming to US work visa, this type of US visa is for those who want to work in the United States as a non-immigrant for a limited period. Applicants can pick the suitable category under work visa USA based on the nature of their profession and specialty. While a person working in a specialized profession that needs highly specialized expertise should apply for an H1B visa in the United States, an intra-company transferee can apply for an L1 visa in the United States. H1, B1, H2A, H2B, H3B, H4, L2, O, P, and Q are other visa categories available in the United States. There are different types of US work visas. The first one is H1B, L1 visa, H1B1, H2A, H2B, H3, H4, L2, O, P, and Q are the other work visa categories available in the United States. C1 or D visa. This is visa for crew members of international flights or ship. E1 visa. The purpose of E1 visa for managers, executives, specialists, supervisors of companies driving to trade to the US. Coming to E2 visa, it is applicable for managers, executives, specialists, supervisors of companies investing in the US. H1B visa, I was already explained the H1B visa. Coming to the H1 visa, it's an intra-company transfer visa for the internal transfer of employees of all nationalities. L1 blanket visa registration for the internal transfer of employee with a specified application process. O1 visa for people with extraordinary skills and abilities. P visa issued for athletes, entertainers, and artists. R visa is issued for religious workers. TN visa issued for skilled workers from Canada and Mexico. US exchange visitor visa. People who are visiting to the United States to engage in an exchange program can apply for a US exchange visitor visa. Applicants for this visa must have been accepted by an approved sponsor in the United States. The participant will get the DS from the sponsor. All visitors to the United States should apply for the visa in the J category. J1 visa for people who participate in the exchange program in the US. that is issued for the J1 visa is an internship or training purpose only. Last visa category is US journalist and media visa. This is called as Indian journalists are members of the Indian media who are coming to the United States to cover a story, incident, or event can apply for this sort of US visa. Only persons from the Indian media with a home office in India are eligible for this sort of visa. The aim of this visa is for applicants to acquire information. This visa should be applied for under the I visa category. I visa is issued for Indians, that too only foreign news media for journalists and media representatives. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. You are watching my channel is the first time. Please subscribe. Thank you.